Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
Start by confirming you have the physical or digital gift card code and that you are signed into the Nintendo account tied to the Switch user. Open the Nintendo eShop app from the home menu. This is where funds are added and purchases occur. Make sure the console is online and any parental controls allow eShop access. Once the eShop loads, you'll be on the main store page. From here you can immediately proceed to redeem, so go to the Redeem Code option next. You'll see a Redeem Code option in the left menu. Select it and enter the full gift card code exactly as printed. Type slowly and verify each character because letters and numbers are easy to confuse. This prevents failed attempts. After submitting, the eShop will show the amount and ask you to confirm adding it to your Nintendo account balance. Confirm the transaction to apply funds. Once done, your balance updates immediately so you can purchase games or DLC from the store. With funds added, navigate to the item you want and choose Purchase using your account balance. The system deducts the amount automatically. Make sure the game or content region matches your account region because region mismatch commonly blocks redemption. If the code is rejected, re-enter carefully, check the card's back for scratch-off residue, and ensure the card wasn't already used. If problems persist, gather the card image and receipt. Contact Nintendo.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.